Hihilain ko yan. Naku, maniwala ka, hihilain ko yan. Kakatumba na. Pero hihilain ko yan. So, President, ako kung masusunod dito ngayon, reklamo niyo lang.
Gusto niya kausapin para lang makiklaro.
Sino? Walang mas mataas sa akin. Ako na ang commander dito. Sir na ako, sir.
Diretso na niya po sa aeroplano.
Yes. Okay, sir. Your lawyers are witnesses. You can always file.
You have to kill me.
It's not our intention.
You have to kill me to bring me to Hague.
It's not our intention, sir. It's not our intention. It's not our intention. It's not our intention, sir. Is he?
Sir, di ba siya po yung talaga?
You know that you've done your duty. Okay? You've done your duty.
Alalayan lang si Presidente.